Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to trade Premarket on Thinkorswim. Open Thinkorswim and enable extended hours data, then set your chart to Premarket session time. Configure watch lists for news, volume, and gap size so you can spot opportunities quickly. Add level Roman 2 and time and sales panels and Premarket alerts to catch fast moves. Keep risks small and use limit orders to avoid wide spreads and surprise fills. Start by building a dedicated Premarket workspace so you have everything ready before the bell. Arrange a main chart with 1-minute and 5-minute views, add indicators like VWAP and a moving average, and dock level Roman 2 and time and sales for order flow context. Set alerts on gap thresholds and unusual volume, and save the workspace to reload it every morning for consistent setup and quick execution. Premarket requires discipline with order types and risk controls to protect capital. Favor limit orders to avoid volatile spreads and accidental market fills, and decide position size by dollar risk or percent of account. Predefine stop loss and profit target levels, and consider scaling in with small initial size. Avoid chasing low liquidity plays and respect wider slippage potential by keeping trade sizes conservative during extended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.